Hey there, beautiful souls. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of success? Let's dive into the incredible world of productivity. First things first. Having a clean and inspiring workspace is crucial. A clutter-free environment promotes a clear mind. When you prioritize your tasks, focus on one thing at a time, and take regular breaks, you not only get more done, but you also stay energized. Setting clear goals is like laying down the road to success. Whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly, writing them down makes them real. Embrace challenges. They push you to grow and innovate. Remember, every problem has a solution. And every setback is a setup for a comeback. And guess what? All this productivity pays off. Success doesn't just happen. It's built daily with dedication and hard work. If you found this helpful, hit like, follow for more productivity tips. And let's elevate our journeys together.